So I've got a set of easy questions, medium questions, and difficult questions. They're all past paper IGCSE Edexcel questions. And we'll start with the easy. For each question, I would suggest putting me on pause when you're done. Okay, so got the information for Prague, Paris, Budapest, the members for each set. I'm going to put these into a Venn diagram first. So here we have A, Prague, B, Paris, C, Budapest. Right, let me just look at the overlap of all three. A occurs in all three. P occurs in all three. I think that is it. Yeah, okay, so let's look at A and B. What letters occur in both A and B are? Look at B and C next. What occurs in both B and C? S. And A and C. What occurs in both A and C? U. And E. What is left in A? Just the G. What is left in B? Just the I. And C, we've got B, D, T. List the members of set A intersect B. So A intersect B is this overlap here. A, P, R. And B union C. We've got B, anything in B, both or C. Which gives us P, A, R, I, S, B, U, D, E, T. Yeah, that's it. Okay, you have got enough information to answer this now. I've brought over this A part, Prague. So A intersects something is the empty set. Right, so A and D, E, or F have nothing in common. Which is it? So D's got E in the same as A. It's not that one. E. They got any letters in common? No. F has. So the answer's E. So that would go in the missing box. Explain your answer. They have no letters in common. Okay, have a go at 2 and 3 now. See how you get on. Okay, I'm going to draw a little Venn diagram here. So we've got A and B. We know A intersect B is 4 and 8, so we know 4 and 8 have to go here. 2 is definitely not in B. 6 isn't, and 10 isn't. So list the members of one possible set B. Set B has 3 members. So it is got to have 4 and 8 in it. It's not going to be 10. It could be 12. Could be 14. It's got to be an even number that's not an 8. Any even number above 10 would be sufficient there. Part B. C is a set such as A intersects C is empty. The set C has 3 members. List members of one possible set C. So again, because they've got nothing in common, C cannot have 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10 in. So we could have 14, 16, 18 would work. They all need to be even because the universal set even numbers. Question 3a. List the members of the set S intersect V. So what do they have in common? Which letters? I, A. Yeah, that's it. S union V. So what's in both or one of them? So CHINA. Put commas in between these letters. And then we've used I and A, so it'll be TLI. Okay, the universal set here, we have the numbers 1 to 9. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B is odd numbers. So what would be A and B? 1, 3, 5. Then we'd have 2, 4, 6, 7, 9. What would be around the outside? 8. Find the number of elements in A union B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 members. C is such a set that A intersects C equals 4 and 5. Set C has 4 members. List the members of one possible set C. Well, set C has to have 4 and 5 in it. We know that because A intersects C are the members that belong to A and C. It's got to have 4 and 5. Now, can't have 2, otherwise that would be in the list, or 1 or 3. So it could have 8 in it, or it could have 7 and 9 in it. Could not have information about C and B together. So I'm going to put 8 and 9. But you could have had 4, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, question 5 here. Got 50 people in the set altogether. 30 own a cat. 25 own a dog. 30 add 25. 55. 6 own neither. 50 take away 6 is 44. The overlap between 44 and 55 is 11. So 11 in the middle. So 19 for just cat. And 14 for just dog. Let's just check that works. 19 plus 11 plus 14 plus 6 is 50. Yes, it does. Okay, so let's look at these medium set of questions now. So we've got the universal set is even numbers. A, factors of 8, and B, factors of 20. So I'm just going to list the factors of 8 next to A, but we only want the even numbers. We've got 1 and 8, 8's even. 2 and 4, 2 and 4 are both even. Just check that 1, 8, 2, 4, but 1 is odd, so we don't need it because the universal set is even numbers. Factors of 20, 1 odd, 20, 2, 10, both even. 4, 5, not even. So A, B, which of these elements occur in both? We've got 2, 4. A union B on the diagram is all of this. So 2, 4, 8, 10, 20. Question 2A. We've got students in year 12. G, students study German. F, French. M, maths. G, intersect M is the empty set. Use the information to write a statement about the students who study German in year 12. So seeing as G intersect M is empty, no, students study both German and maths. Question B. Preeti is a student in year 12. Preeti. Now, remembering what this symbol means. That symbol means is a member of, so the line through it is not a member of. So Preeti doesn't study French. A, B and C are 3 sets such that A intersect B is the empty set. C is a subset of A. Complete the Venn diagram. C is a subset of A, so all of C is in A. A intersect B is the empty set, so B is out here. B and C have also got to be the empty set as well. On the Venn diagram, shade the region. Again, hopefully you saw the complement bit here. If you haven't, just pause it and do it again. It's A intersect complement C, or A intersect not C. So A and not C. That bit there. Okay, 9A. Positive whole numbers less than 19. Odd numbers, multiples of 5. Okay, here we got another knot here. Hopefully you saw that. Let's draw a Venn diagram, I think. So I'm going to write this out a bit better. A intersect not B. A odd numbers, B multiples of 5, multiples of 4, less than 19. A odd numbers, B multiples of 5. Let me just put the multiples of 5. We've got 5, 10, 15. Odd numbers, I won't bother writing those out. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. So 5 would be here. 15 would be here. 10 would be here. And then for C, multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. Then for the odd numbers, you've got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Nope, we've already got 5. Let's get rid of that one. 11, 13, 15 already got. 17. And then outside, I'm not going to bother filling these in because I don't think we need them. You've got the even numbers that are not included in C. So the first one we need, A intersect not B. It'd be that little crescenty bit there, which would give us a lot of numbers. I'm going to write here. 1, 3, 9, 11, 13. Oh, I've missed out 7, but I'll add it on here. It doesn't have to be in numerical order. There we go. And B union C, which would be all of these ones, which would give us 5, 10, 15, 4, 8, 12, and 16. D equals prime numbers. Is it true that C intersect D is the empty set? Yes, it is. There's no multiple of 4 is a prime number. Number in B, 21. Number in A and Sec B is 8. Stick that in the middle. The number not in A is 18. Okay, so this one and this one. Nope. Not in A. This one and this one needs total 18. So if all of B is 21, we can know 21 take away 8 is 13. We also know the number not in A is 18. So this one and this one needs to add up to make 18. So we know that this one here is 5. And we know the whole Venn diagram adds up to 36. So 36, take away your 5, 8 and 13 gives us 10. Let's just check all of that. Yeah, that all works. Okay, we're on the difficult section now. The whole thing here is 37. Number in A, 22. A intersect B is 12. So this must be 10. A union B is 30. So these 3 add up to 30, which leaves us 8 here. And then outside, 37, take away 10, take away 12, take away 8. 7 on the outside. That wasn't too bad. So there are 31 students in a class. Only studying French and Spanish. 6 study neither French or Spanish. 17 for French. Come across quite a few like this at the moment. 15 for Spanish. 17 add 15 is 32. 31 take away 6 is 25, which gives us an overlap here between 25 and 32 of 7. So that's 10, 8. There we go. Let me just double check a few of these figures. Yes, works. Some students were asked the following question. Which of these subjects do you study? French, Russian, German. Doesn't really... Oh yeah, here we go. Sorry, this is all connected to the same question. Right, okay, sorry. So, 4 study French, Russian and German. Who's in the middle? 10 study Russian and French. So if 10 study Russian and French, this is 6, because all of this is Russian and French. So we've dealt with that one, dealt with this one. 13 study French and German. So French and German is 13, which leaves us 9 here. 6 study Russian and German. It's got to be 2. 24 study German. So 24 subtract 9, 4 and 2 gives us 9 here. 11 study none of the 3 subjects. The number who study Russian only is twice the number who study French only. So French only, they've already got X, so Russian must be 2X, right? Show all the information in the Venn diagram, given the numbers of the students in each appropriate subset in terms of X if necessary. Okay, B, given that the number of students who asked the question was 80, work out the number of students that study Russian. So we need an equation here. 2x, add 6, add 4, add 2, add 9, add 9, add 11, add x is equal to 80. Let's simplify. Then we got 3x plus 6, add 4, add 2, add 9, add 9, add 11, 41. Oops. And I'm going to subtract 41 from both sides, which gives us 3x is equal to 39. Divide both sides by 3, x is 13. So how many studied Russian? So now we know that 2x, I can get rid of that, is equal to 13 times 2, which is 26. How many studied Russian? 26, add 6, add 4, add 2, which is 38. Okay, let's have a go at this last question. I've noticed with IGCSE Edexcel, they do like these questions involving X. Right, let's fill in the Venn diagram from our information. So I'm going to start with 5, have none of these animals. 6 have all of them. Right, you've got to be careful with this. X have both a cat and a dog. It's not X here. X is that entire bracket there. So X is that entire bracket. Here at the top is X minus 6. 9 have both a cat and a rabbit. So again, this whole, cat and rabbit. Wrong side. No, 9 have both a dog and a rabbit. So this whole thing does equal 9. This is 3. 8 have a cat and a rabbit. So this is 2. 20 have a rabbit. So this is 9. So the whole circle rabbit's 9. I'd be careful with this, right? 18 have a cat. This whole circle's got to equal 18. What does it equal at the moment? X minus 6 plus 6 plus 2, which is just x plus 2, isn't it? It simplifies to x plus 2 because minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So what's 18? Take away x, take away 2, which is 16, take away x. Do something similar with the dog. The dog circle's got to equal 28 in total. X minus 6 plus 6 plus 3 is just x plus 3. And then 28, take away x, take away 3. Or 28, take away all of that. 28 take away 3 is 25, so 25 take away x. Now we have got we're told for 12b that there are 50 students. So 25 minus x, add x minus 6, plus 6, plus 3, plus 2, plus 16 minus x, plus 9, plus 5 is 50. Let's simplify that. Minus x plus x is 0. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. 25. Add 3, add 2, add 16. Add 9, add 5 is 60. So we know 60, subtract x is 50. So what's x? It's got to be 10.